Hello everybody and welcome back to Excel in 5 minutes. Today we learn about the function round and the function round up and the last one, the function round down. Let's start. Here I have the number 1.25889. If I do this with the function round, I write equal round and then I open the function and I have the number, so I stand on the number C5 and then I want after this 0 like here, and then I press on OK button, so I have the number 1. If I do this with the round up, equal round and then I open the function, I write the number C5 and then I want 0 after this. Let's see. If you see, I have the number 2 because this is the round up. And the last one, round down, equal round down and then I open the function, number, and then I want 0 after the point and then I press on OK button and I have the number 1. Okay, I have 1, 2 and 1. Let's do this with the number 17. Here I have the number 17.63789. If I do this with the round, I write equal round and then I press on here on the number, comma, and then I want here 2 number after the point and then I press on enter. So I have 17.64. If I do this with the round up, I write equal round up and then I take the number C6 and then comma and then I want 2 number after the point and then I press on enter and here I have also 17.64 and the last one, round down, I write equal round down and then I press on the number, comma, and then I want 2 number after the point and then I press on enter and I have 17.63. That's it. I have round up, round down, 1, 2, 1 and then 17.64, 17.64 and the last one 17.63 because this is the round down. Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.